is how it starts. Oh, I thought I fixed this. It just got more crooked. As it turns out, I don't look like I gained 50 pounds. But it feels like it. Let's see what the damage was. Hold on, I'm holding the camera. Okay, the camera's a pound. 141. So basically I'm just super, super bloated. Actually not super, super bloated. Last night I was super, super bloated. I am kind of bloated. Actually not as crazy as I feel like it should be. I just ate all the food. Like I was not tracking crap. It's definitely a Monday today, guys. I wasn't tracking anything. I ate all the food. I'm sure I had mostly carbs and fats. Although I did make sure I still have protein shakes, you know, just for good measure. Usually takes me about 3 days to get back to my normal situation. I'm gonna take some pre-workout and head to the gym. This was one of my meals yesterday. See if I can make this vlog life work. Pistol squats before I did that whole heavy ass workout because I have nothing left right now. Holy crap. Oh my god. So since I'm trying to get better, or since I'm trying to do a pistol squat period, it's better if you're going to practice something that you suck at to do before you do all the stuff that's going to wear you out. Whatever though. If you like the workout, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button so that you don't miss a video. Yeah, my brain is not working. Whew. And I am home from the gym. I had a bathroom emergency thanks to my pre-workout. You're welcome for that information. So, I'm gonna have my protein shake. About to throw my lens cap away. Clearly my head's not working. Oh, Fina Pants. Did you bring me a toy? I had an extremely challenging workout, so I'm not hungry. Before I lost my appetite, for who knows why, I had a voracious appetite, and so I would work out earlier in the day, like in the morning, in order to help control my appetite, because working out obliterates my appetite. Like I do not want to eat right after at all. So I normally have to force myself, even when I do have a normal appetite. And I'm using coconut water. I like this one because I actually don't like coconut water. So the Vita Coco, I can, I don't know why I said it like that. The Vita Coco, I can tolerate. I think I put too much in there. But you know what, it's cool. I like to have, I feel like I'm doing a commercial. I like to have Vita Coco after every workout. Okay. I like look at it because it rehydrates me. I sweat. If you've ever seen any of my videos, you've seen that I never sweat. So I really have to replenish my fluid loss. I need to bring my own disinfecting wipes to the gym because people are gross. We need 2 scoops, people, in case I don't eat again for a while. Get that protein. Boom. Now I'm gonna chug it because I just don't want to do this. I felt like that took 2 minutes. Probably took 10 seconds, but that was very long 10 seconds. I took my shower, so my mom's coming over so that Abby can play with Athena. I'm having a snack. It's an organic square bar. These are really good. 220 calories, 10 grams of fat, 22 grams of carbs, 13 grams of sugar, and 12 grams of protein. They've got real stuff in them because generally lots of chemicals and super processed stuff makes me feel cruddy, so protein bars are generally pretty processed, but these don't make me feel so crappy. And my digestive system is just like, whew. Man, I went ham this weekend. Holy Jesus. Also, I think this is a good time. I wanted to talk to you guys about ingredients that will make or break your fitness lifestyle and your health for that matter. 2 ingredients that you should try to avoid whenever possible. And that is another thing that you should, I absolutely look for in protein bars and anything that's in a package. High fructose corn syrup and trans fats, which are also labeled as hydrogenated oils and partially hydrogenated oils. Those 2 ingredients, high fructose corn syrup and trans fat, will kill your ab gains. The high fructose corn syrup basically tells your brain that you're still hungry even when you're not. It tricks you, and then it tells your body to store fat around your organs, which is the most dangerous kind of fat. And hello, obviously that's not gonna help you get abs if you're storing your fat in your stomach, in your abdomen around your organs. And then trans fats build up in your body. Can't get rid of them. That's never good when something builds up because you always want balance and moderation. Trans fats are also supposedly carcinogenic, which means they are linked to causing cancer. And they also make you fat. All right, I've got to edit as quickly as possible before my mom gets here so that I'm not rude and I can actually hang out. So let's do this. Oh, so just in case I didn't say this before, the reason that I just had a protein bar and not a meal is because I'm in a hurry. I would have had a few eggs and some toast, and some fruit, but I'm in a hurry, like I said. So my mom is bringing me my favorite smoothie from the juice bar. It has kale, blueberries, probiotics, apple, spinach, ginger, blueberries, strawberries. I think that's most of what's in there. So that's what I'm gonna be having so I can get some nutrition in, and that will be my extended breakfast. Boom. Just have to know. Cookies! Yay! Oh, I just love her so much. They are all homemade from scratch. They took hours and hours and hours and blood and sweat and tears and your soul. I love you. Oh God, okay. I need to eat this. My blood sugar is like non-existent. Here you go. So she slides me the cookies, of course. Oh, your blood sugar's having issues? Here, eat some sugar. That's what your body needs. I like to drink hot water with apple cider vinegar in it, or warm or room temp water. It really helps with my digestion. So if I'm super bloated or I'm about to eat something that I know is gonna mess with my stomach, like greasy pizza, then I'll drink this before, during, or after, and it makes me feel better. I put 2 tablespoons, I think, of apple cider vinegar. Well, no, I think I put a tablespoon today. If you are not used to it, start with a tablespoon, because it'll get you. Oh, it's not that bad anymore. It's pretty bad when you get home. I feel like it's gotten better. Oh, well, you're sucking in. That's not fair. I can do that too, look. It's like I never eat food. No, I'm kidding. I can do that. Ab off. Ashley versus Mom. It's a good life. I just got home from the vet, and then Athena and I went and picked up Brandon, and now I'm starving. It's 5 o'clock. Who knows where all the time went today? So I need to cook dinner for us, get Athena's dinner ready, finish my video and upload it, or finish editing my video and upload it. But first, I'm gonna have some cereal because I'm hungry. So that's a good thing, because yay, it means my appetite is coming back. So we just went shopping. I need something quick. So I'm gonna have Lucky Charms. Don't you judge me. I need carbs. And I'm gonna have the cereal with protein nut milk. This stuff is amazing. I really want to say thebomb.com, but I don't say that crap, so boop. If you do say that, I'm not judging you. It's just not something that I say. So this nut milk, oh, we need more light. This protein nut milk has 10 grams of protein per cup. It's amazing. And that's actually why I'm having, I really want Christmas cookies. I'm just gonna go ahead. And then I want 200. Oh, these used to have high fructose corn syrup. They do have red 40, which is terrible for you. I try to avoid colors, the dyes that they use to make things colorful, because they're red 40 and red lake 40 are really, really terrible for you. If I could just buy a box full of marshmallows, done. Can I? If I can, please comment below, because I would devour a box of Lucky Charms marshmallows. Hello, I'm making dinner. We are going to have salmon with roasted vegetables. I've never had this salmon before, but we just got it from Sam's. So this salmon, I think it's honey, it's in a honey bourbon marinade. Yeah. So that, God, my freezer's loud, with some roasted veggies. It has been such a long day. It's 6:45. The food is ready. Roasted mixed vegetables with honey bourbon glazed salmon and half a cup of brown rice. Yum. I think that's gonna conclude this vlog. It's been real, guys. It's been real. Until next time. Mwah.